Gold prices seen a little recovery after a good drop yesterday. We have seen gold again moving towards 33.15 and now trying to erase some of the gains. While it is silver which is consistently melted, and we have seen now silver at 36.20. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? We also have the PCE data coming in before the US session. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver with the data in the US session, we're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. I always release twice a day updates. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, such that you can profit across US, Europe, and Asia session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now look at the movement in gold prices. You can see this after every drop it retraces, after every drop it retraces, and this was the bigger drop and hence bigger the retracement. Yes, it is retraced towards the top of the channel. Now the lows of the channel are far below. Lows of the channel are towards 32.50, and yes, now we have to wait for gold to trade first below 32.90. 492 zone, that is a good support zone for gold. If you see now gold price is trading below 32.94.92, you can take a sell here and expect it to move towards 32.80.78, the first target zone, and then below this we can expect it to slide all the way towards 32.60. Yes, it is possible. See, the stochastic is looking downwards. Look at the MACD. After hitting the bottom, it has crossed over, trading with a retracement, while the RSI is placed comfortably after the retracement. Now look at 2-hour charts. What has happened on the 2-hour charts? Striking the 20 period moving average. It is closed below 20 period. That is one observation. Second is the support at 32.94.92 is pretty strong. It has to trade below this. Now notice bigger bearish candles, retracement, first pullback candle. There is a possibility that now once it trades below 32.94.92, you can expect another round of good slide where it can head towards 32.80 or 32.60 levels. Possibility just is strong. If you see the stochastic, this is trading bearish. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness here. Looking at the MACD, it appears there is not much of upside available for gold, and hence we have to wait. We have to wait and watch for the current candle. And yes, remember the data might bring in lot much of volatility. The RSI is rising, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See 20 period offering it a very good resistance, consistently lower lows, lower highs, and thus the downside is wide open here. We have to still wait for it to take a direction and confirm the next move. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD has just crossed over, suggestive of moderate bullishness here, and the RSI is also rising. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now see on the 4-hour charts what has happened, just kissing 20 period, prices have shown a pullback, but it is very important for gold to trade now below 32.94.92 zone. You can see this double bottom is created for the previous two candles, and now once it trades below this, you can say that this is the reversal. A bigger wick is formed. Now see, bigger wick on the upside suggests that there was a downward push here, and now once it trades below 33.92.94, you can expect a greater slide again. But remember, see what we had seen, a good slide, couple of swing, and a move beyond 33.06 is a confirmation of further rise. Now once it trades below 33.06, we can expect it to move towards 33.14, 33.16, the 20 period moving average, which is going to be a good resistance. And then if 33.14.16 is taken, you can expect 33.22 and 33.30 levels, the critical milestone. Beyond 33.30, it's a reversal, complete reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. The RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, yesterday I mentioned that once it slides below 3300, you can expect a greater slide. What has happened? It has moved towards 3270 levels. Now see, if you look at the last few moves, you can find out this is almost trading in a box here. You can see this is the box in which it is positioned, 3350 to 3450 levels, and it is very important for gold to come out of it. Right now I can see a greater struggle. I can see a resilience here, a resistance here on the downside. To in order to break below 3250, it requires a lot much of effort, and today could be one of the days where it may try to do so. We have to watch out for today's move. This is going to remain very important. See, the stochastic is oversold here, while the MACD is still trading bearish in the crossover, trading with divergence. The RSI has dropped. So considering this, now before I give you the levels, you should also try to learn this art of trading, where you can identify the trades with ease, where you can identify the trends, where you can take a trade with the confidence, so that you can increase your winning ratio. You can join my mentorship batch where we teach all the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can be a profitable trader. Join my next batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now one thing is clear, the selling entry is now at 32.94.92 zone. 32.92.94 is a very good support zone for now, below which you can expect it to move towards 32.80, 82, 84 levels. This is going to be the next critical support, and trading below 32.80, we can expect prices to move all the way towards 32.60. And then below 32.60, it's 32.48.50, which will come into picture as a greater support zone. Till then, do not read this as bearish. Yes, it is also going to be outside Bollinger Bands, and hence the down move is going to be a bit sticky. While on the upside, now the buying entry in gold is only if you see it is staying beyond 33.06. And beyond 33.06, it may try to move towards 33.14.16 zone. Staying beyond 33.14.16 is where we can expect little bullishness, where the prices will head towards 33.22 first and 33.30.32 the next. Any move beyond 33.30.32 is a sign of a greater reversal in gold prices, where it may head towards 33.50 plus levels. Appears difficult but not impossible. If it can slide sharp, it can recover sharp as well. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, what has happened here? See, it has stayed sideways for multiple candles, and then a bigger dip has appeared yesterday. Again retraced and again taking the direction. See, this is increasing bearishness, and now it is trying to trade in this channel here, where the highs of this channel are now towards 37. Yes, if it tries to pull back, it can again attempt to move towards 37, which is a greater resistance zone. Appears difficult but not impossible. Yes, it may try to show and hit this zone. See, this is silver. It can bring enormous swings here. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading with sharp bearishness. The RSI is oversold. It is oversold, and thus it is trying to recover a bit. It is possible that it may try to move again towards this zone, and hence you have to watch out with caution. See, if you see it is staying beyond 36.60 levels, possibility of a move towards 37 will increase there. Appears difficult but not impossible. Stochastic oversold. The MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish. The RSI is staying extremely oversold. Coming to 3-hour charts, yes, it was outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is trying to show a pull. But notice, see, this is outside bands, and it can continue to put pressure on the bands to expand, and the current candle could be the one. Now, if you see silver trading below 36.20, when you see the higher prices below 36.20, we can take a sell here. Till then, do not take a sell. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness, and also looking at the move, it appears silver is heading now towards 36. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD sharply bearish. The RSI extremely oversold here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, similar observations. See, drop here, retracement and consolidation, drop here, retracement and consolidation, drop here again. It is outside bands completely, and hence a little pullback cannot be denied. And now see, complete reversal is where you can say that it is the silver is turning bullish is only and only if you see it is staying beyond 37.20. Till the time it stays below 37.20 levels, you should not be treating silver as bullish. Pretty clear here. It can try to retrace. It is possible that it can move towards 36.80, 36, 80, $37 zone, which is going to be a very critical resistance for silver on the upside. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI extremely oversold. Coming to daily, when you look at the daily charts, silver was trading extremely bullishly. Do watch my weekly review. I have mentioned this rise, retracement, rise. And see this, it may try to form a symmetry where it can try to head towards. Now it appears that it is very much close to the bottom here. And now it is pretty important for us to observe how silver behaved. First of all, whether it moves towards 36 or not, and how silver behaves between 36 and 35.50, because see, once it trades now below 36 and 35.50, it's a reversal confirmation where the prices are going to crash heavy. Right now I can see you can say it is going to be definitely difficult to break this zone. Stochastic oversold. Look at the MACD. This is crossed over here at the top, trading with sharp divergence, staying bearish, and the RSI has dropped. So considering this now, only selling entry now is once you see silver below 36.20. When you see the higher prices below 36.20, take a sell. Expect 36, 35.75, 35.50 levels. Remember, silver prices staying below 35.50 today, tomorrow, in any point of time in the coming week as well. You can just stay short from there. Expect $34 levels at the next target. This is the long term position I'm trying to suggest here. But yes, for the day, you can stay short below 36.20. On the upside now, I'll recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 36.50 levels. If you see silver staying beyond 36.50, stay with the buys, expected to move towards 36.70, 36.85 and 37. It is beyond 37 where the bulls will try to take over, and then 37.20 if it breaches, it's a reversal. Chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.